Hello, friends. This is Sushil. Welcome to my new presentation. And this time, our topic is why retirement plan is important. I have been working in corporate for nearly 25 years, and last year, something unusual happened. Many of my colleagues were forced to leave their job, and they were in the process of finding a new job or establishing a new business, and that's when COVID-19 breakout happened, which made situation even more difficult. So what is actually coming out here is things can change, and change is the nature of life. And what is in our control is, we can only prepare so that we can face and manage such uncertain events more effectively. So what is retirement planning? Retirement planning or retirement plan is all about our preparation, especially when we are highly efficient in terms of income, skill, energy, and health. We all know that world is changing faster than ever before. It is important for us to have some awareness about these changes and its impact on us. It will help us to prepare better. Now, let us understand the major points which are relevant to retirement planning. So, our first point is average lifespan is increasing. The average lifespan in developed countries, it's above 75, and it will further increase with advancement in healthcare systems. Yeah. It's a good news for all of us. We'll be able to live longer, but it is also important for us to realize that we will need more resource to live longer. So that is the important point here. So the next point is limited lifespan for skills and technological disruptions. Now, these two points are interconnected. The job market is completely going to change in 1 or 2 decades. We humans have two types of abilities. One is physical, and the second one is cognitive, abilities. In the past, missions competition was with our physical abilities. If we look at industries like construction, agriculture, and production industries, now machines are ruling. Uh, but somewhere we retained immense edge over machines on cognition. Basically our thinking capabilities, analytical capabilities, decision making capabilities. So in this, we were ruling so far, but time is changing now, and machines are becoming highly efficient in analysis and decision making with the advancement of AI. In fact, they are becoming more efficient than us. Now, this will create huge opportunity for machines to replace human in the job market, which means many skills will have limited validity. So we may have to keep on building new skills to sustain in the job market, and time is going to be uh, highly challenging, especially to position in the job market. So that is the learning what we are getting from these points. Now moving to the next points. So the point is global uncertainties to be more frequent and increasing in inflation. Now here we know that now the way world is evolving from a global concept, now we are moving to domestic. That means we want to have minimum dependency on other countries. uh, Other aspects like increase in temperature, floods, virus breakout are becoming frequent, and expenses like medical expense, education expense, things are becoming more and more expensive. So what we can conclude from all these points is we will live longer in a world which will be more challenging and uncertain. and it will be expensive as well. Now, we all are having some fair idea about the fast changing world. So, our task is to prepare now. And to prepare ourselves, we have to understand stages of our life and its importance. So, this slide indirectly it is showing the stages of life. Okay, so the x axis is age and the y axis is money. So basically, it is showing two phases of life. One is the accumulation phase, and the second one is the deaccumulation phase. Now, deaccumulation phase is nothing but the retirement phase, and the accumulation phase is the time span which is available to us when um, we are highly efficient in terms of income, health, and energy. Yeah, because until and unless if you don't have health, energy, that can't income can't be supported. So it basically starts from 25 years, and during earlier days, this time span was available till 60, but now gradually this is coming down. So it is coming down to 50. So now earlier a person was getting almost like 35 years and for accumulation, and now instead of that person is getting only 25 years. And what is happening is your lifespan is increasing, so naturally your deaccumulation time span is increasing continuously. So how to manage this? That is the challenge now, because your accumulation period got completely reduced, and deaccumulation is continuously expanding. So basically, we don't have anything to waste during the accumulation phase. We have to be much more efficient than the earlier days. Okay, so we have to create something highly valuable which can take care of us during the deaccumulation phase. That is what is required. And let's say if we are ignorant and if we are not realizing this fact, then the deaccumulation phase is going to be really tough. So that is the message what we are getting from this slide. So I am moving to the next slide. So this slide is about again accumulation phase and its significance. um, so here basically I have shown two examples, where x is 28 years old and y is 48 years old. Both are investing 18 lakh rupees. The only difference is x is investing this amount over a period of 30 years, and y is investing this amount over a period of 10 years. The interest rate is 15 percentage for both, but the output what it is creating is drastically different. And in fact it's very difficult for y to catch up with x. Y has to either compound the money at an exorbitant rate of 40 percentage, or else on a monthly basis Y has to uh, deposit huge amount of money. So that is not practically going to be possible. So what is coming out from the slide is it is not about only accumulation. So let's say suppose you are on your job, and you are continuously earning, but it is equally important to save your money and compounding your money. So once if you do that for a longer period, then you can uh, comfortably take care of your deaccumulation phase or the retirement time, and the amount also would be substantially less. So the burden would be comparatively less if you are actually doing it for a longer period of time. So there is a beautiful doha by Kabir Das. So it's like this: धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे सब कुछ होय माली सींचे सौगड़ा ऋतु आए फल हुई. So The essence is everything takes its time. Even if a gardener puts 100 drums of water at a time, the fruit will blossom at its time. So retirement plan, can't be executed over the night. It is not possible. And so you have to give, adequate time. So that is possible only if you are efficiently using your accumulation phase. So I am coming to my final slide. So far what we have concluded is world is changing fast, it is challenging, and it's uncertain. uh, Expense would be higher, retirement period will be longer compared to earlier days. But our efficiency in terms of earning, saving, and compounding during the accumulation period can give us a comfortable retirement period. So that's it. And I just want to conclude one more important point here. This is by Seneca. So Seneca said, "It is not that we have short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Life is long enough, and sufficiently generous amount has been given to us for the highest achievements if it were well invested. But when it is wasted in headless luxury and seen it on no good activity, we are forced at last by death's final constraint to realize that it has passed away before we knew it was passing." So we have generous amount of time to do best in our life. So let us introspect ourselves. So wish you all the very best. Don't waste any more time. Start your retirement planning as fast as possible. Thanks a lot.